In this video, I will show you how to use Steal a Freddy codes in Roblox. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and then go ahead and search for Steal a Freddy using the search bar at the top middle of your screen. So click on Steal a Freddy on the search recommendations, and then on the results go ahead and click on Steal a Freddy, and then scroll down in here and look for the Discord icon. So you need to be able to join their Discord group to be able to claim or redeem codes on the game. Now, once you access Discord, you need to go ahead and accept the invite sent to you by Still a Freddy. And then once you're a part of the Discord server, you need to go ahead and approve or agree with these rules first, and then click on complete. Then after that, you need to go ahead and read these rules first, and then click on this next button at the bottom right, and that will take you to the general section. So head over into the start here channel. So in here, you just need to read this and you learn how you can join the server completely. And then in here, go ahead and enter /get role to be able to get a role on the server. And then once you have gotten a role on the server, you'll be able to redeem codes on Roblox once you head back on the game. So you need to wait for this to confirm that we're a member of the server. Once you've confirmed it, go ahead and re-access Roblox. Click on the play button on the Still a Freddy section, and then once you're inside Still a Freddy, go ahead and click on that codes button at the top of your screen, and then enter the code that you want to claim into the section, and then click on redeem. Now, if you can't still redeem a code, you need to go ahead and create a ticket on the Discord server to be able to get your problem resolved on claiming rewards on Roblox despite joining the server. And that is how you can basically redeem Still a Freddy codes in Roblox.